So over TV and the stories ne bremo. Now, pardon us for the delay. This was supposed to come a bit earlier than expected. And here na mumu brain no. And some best sorry and send a video. Pardon us for it. It's quite unfortunate. Thank you, the bantam kaka. The evening news is coming on Silver TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Very, very necessary. Emma Yejumedi Ayeti Wahano Etimi Konenimpa. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop your comment and share. Now, throughout the day, I realized that most of you were asking questions regards to Isaac Oppong. There's one questioner, Abba and Nepa, even from a number of videos you posted, I've seen a lot of questions on that. I'm going to talk about it. This weekend, Kotoko had to folk. So I see a map update in the yes, flow. I'm going to go a bit to have to folk na my juma. Menra Asante Kotoko IMC at the Baba posted. Obi I'll share me behind the scenes video. Biano, I posted video and you realize that part na Kotoko IMC no normal meeting. So you read Ogum every muntem kakra, but Nana Pinkra Kwesi was there. Coach Akwesi Apia, Oni Ignatius, or say Fosu. And Baba has posted the normal by Ignatius, the kind of Coach Akwesi Apia. So was part of the meeting, and Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi. Ya peke details kakra from the meeting. Yeah, the Bemamo Ewo Silver TV. And yes, we'll look into the issues. Na ya update Musenia TNF Fata. Now, as we are speaking, let me do this quick. I'm sending a story more shipa. But say me no first, I saw my who said stories the baby were children no so wash it. Good. By popular demand, it deals with Isaac Oppong, questions on Isaac Oppong and his fitness. And this is what I saw. Na me we are mama nkomo amedi and also there. One player na me very particular. Na mpese me hu ekwan on befa so aba full team bars no was Enoch Morrison and Isaac Oppong name. Reason being that Isaac Oppong we had a stretcher and a page and free park and so Emma changes by Richmond Enoch Morrison so intimi ambo game na wie ono so tenase and ye better time if you wanna ye did not call bench. So I wanted to know the state of these two boys. Now information I'm in Sakai here say let me start from yesterday. And now worked on their own to go and join the bus. Isaac Oppong and Enoch Morrison nante no be nkutomo na yamfa hen show mamo to many obi ne page omo. So they were able to work on their own to go and pick the bus. Which was a positive sign because a player had a stretcher fan. Na say a baby game no. Na obedin say be a mess or no ntimi nante. And intini a man support no but say ye baby no no etimi nante a na positive kakra. Koma me di on enra na our park no so maybe say questions. I asked some key people questions. Now when it comes to medical issues of players one thing you should know is that getting the news becomes very, very difficult because the medical profile, every good doctor be will be medical situation natural. So the question that I asked now, you bet me there briefing yourself. Why is it that player and you didn't to stretch as well? Some minutes later, Otiminante. Now what I was told here said some of the injuries need to a bar. I said would they panel to a stable place and treat the person. So why you say oh many pan ananteswa. You might not know the extent of it. And no more to stretcher so. We say a precaution. That was why they put him on the stretcher. And yes, na ontimi nante. And yes, na name and yes, na debi. But there was upejana kama na babeto. So within that moment, based on questions of Ubisano and how he described the pain he was going through, they felt that there was no need for him to put any form of pressure on the nine at that moment. In the CC, one about the nine at that moment. There's some page and nominal better. And you're treating and still be some question of castle on TBMA. Then they can let him start putting pressure on the leg. And that was response I mean concerning why he was on a stretcher and why minutes later he was able to walk. But I'm sure saying Chirimono, what you see here, and no Morrison also was making some complaints. But it turns out, say after the game, no, both of them were okay to walk. And no observation, I mean, now and now, I decided to play score. The amount in common, den kakra say, Maka say a medical situation of a player, so it will be difficult for the key people to tell you. That's one. Two, Kotoko training in it, and no more rest day. Kotoko trainer, then you can look at what happened at the training grounds and say, so, obe keke ball, obe two mirika, oba no tenase. But in this case, Kotoko training, which means that you cannot observe what happened at the training grounds to deduce whether he's fit or not. But ko a me place here, the mensaka any say, Isaac Oppong, okay. That was what I was told. I'm say anything harmful apart from a grand chichi, mun and nedie. Ko a me place anything harmful and is okay. That is what I've been doing. My church remove from park now, so any and radie me who ye, Eddie Ababi see and neso diamaye. Like I was saying, and anye training. So there's no training news for Asante Kotoko. Had to folk. My main before I move to other Asante Kotoko issues. I'm talking about house because Kotoko house never born. House schedule I may pick any say Thursday, Friday. Had to folk will be in Kumasi. Thursday, Friday, had to folk will be in Kumasi. Say Bibi and Sasan. That is what I'm picking. Now the news coming in suggests the House of Folk will be at Ejoso, Ombeko Ejoso, and they will train at Ejoso Air Forestry Park. That is the news that I'm picking. If anything changes, I'm going to let you know. It was expected saying has kept Kumasi because I'm go board ma. Think somebody trema kon and come stay then Kumasi. But news I'm picking say that Thursday or Friday or Chanopa. If anything changes, I will let you know. But that's something small that I'm picking from Hard to Folk camper. They'll be coming in with the assistant coach. So that is something small from the camp of Hard to Folk. Now let's move on to other news. Now Memboneteu last 3 weeks or so. I remember saying a story concerning Asante Kotoko management decision communicated with our players and say if the players are able to win 4 matches so there is a special bonus on normal around 1,000 Ghana cedis. I remember some of my story we were saying because my fan kamemo there are stories we are yet, but I remember that story was part of the stories I'm here now. Enra Coach Ogum di kan koe but Emmanuel Newton Dasbury Nana Penkra Kwesiewua ene Coach James Akwesiapia obi o Baba Sports to be Akwesiapia International Society Suso now kana ho but International Johnson on Kakor committee no but assistant of Akwesiapia Sudan tino na now a meeting no mo what I'm picking here say week we no bonuses 9 no benifo be hwe ho asema kana kama the amount no ama enije no akosoro the amount ahead of the Hard to Folk game again but so many so aso enti notifications maybe ba ebi so beba enti Kotoko players that is one positive thing for you now what you we expect huge positive things say ebe hete mo doors ama mu nyina amani den ebeji ewo ho enya no pe. Let me do this story before I come to the Fatawu story. Fatawu story no more tea or silver sports in the we sure say or medical tamo kakrama mo or silver sports. But then the air by YouTube has say. Now Kotoko 4 matches na kano. There's a higher possibility around 90%. Some babuni now Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium. Before Enra Hard to Folk then doesn't catch them that now it's confirmed. Olympus, so a member from Olympus are placing call, and this is coming from one of my sources. Before you can play at the Baba Sports, you need to do a lot of calls. You need to speak to certain people, and in the chain of communication, looks like the sources Nibako Peke and what they are telling me now, which I'm yet to confirm from Olympus camp. TME, but my source, Nadia Mama said, course now Olympus place Nibako Abba. eye Baba Sports Stadium. So only person game on the Kotoko, but now the Accra Sports Stadium has been turned to the Accra Entertainment Center. Into Omoye Entertainment in a concert for her. The Olympics cry airbo against Lagos City soccer boy. Was Sugakope. And clearly, on the Kotoko Sugakope, you cannot expect that high number of spectators. So what I'm picking here say chain of course Olympics here and Ibiabe Kumasi. So to cut everything short, Kotoko has Kumasi, Kotoko Olympics unconfirmed report Kumasi, Kotoko RT Kotoko home Kumasi, Kotoko Bofu Kumasi. This is it. Bofo any summer test or boy. Ewo a year you kind of saying Abrakase. Reason here say Friday, Thursday, mandated training for Midiama. That was last week Thursday, any belus that baso baba. Therefore, na bofun timi bobo ha. Friday, Midiama boy. Saturday, mandatory training for Dreams and Rivers. Intine no, a team a friend Dreams FC. Any Rivers. Next a bofun intimi bo ewo baba. Sunday, Dreams FC, Monday, Koroko. And that is why when nations, any Akala Kokobo Sugakopeno, Emma Bofo, Echusu Abrankesi. So what is coming in suggests that from the camp of key people closer to Bofo, Eddie Amame said, Omono Kotokono, Ombebo Kumase. Was about for one home game before Omo game against Kotoko. And from what I'm picking, Omo plans Ombebo Kumase at the Baba Sports, and that will be the last game of the season. 90% say Kotoko 4 matches a dominant Ombebo. Ewo Baba Sports Stadium. And here story I have them out. Now, Kotoko fan be a place call at the call playing body of Kotoko. Wa show mo a year 10,000. And the munim dada. Now, their banners are down for so show team 10,000 if they're able to beat out to folk. These are some of the promises ever. Supporters ne hiti. Some yen 5. Edema Kotoko yen maku and twaso. Until it looks like money as an incentive for Kotoko players nedia. Bebre nam kwanso eba until the hands of many eden. Now ombe jumani ye ede ama Asante Kotoko no ede froba. Abdu Fatawu Safiu last week Emmanuel Cote de no. And amount Fatawu Suleiman de no. So medema mediama boy no. For the left back player, I don't have any update. But Cote Diano, I know it is on its way because Osha, the management of Kotoko are keen on a right wing back more than a left side because Nana Benini Tedeku, Nicolas Osebonsu, Enoch Morris, no mean a bit time or call till make you just so short. Maybe or Chinamabemupa. But the right back position, I want to semno a work crack. Now, last week, Abraham made a story and talking to you about the short list of Kotoko. The catcher said Kotoko will go in for a striker. Because as a natural, that Kotoko will go in for a striker. Confirmed one. Ayabaneche said Abdu Fatawu Safiu is the player at Kotoko. Eni Dinechi. Now he is a free agent. Only club or a free agent. Or when the club, last club of Sudan, no, Bibia baby. So he's expected in Kumasi next week. Now on him penny for about being Kumo ahead of the January transfer. Last week, me can want some tremo. Macau Silver Sports also daba. Catch them say a right back, left back, and a striker. Right back, Emmanuel Cote from Iswatremai. Striker, Abdu Fatawu Safiu. Obebo Kotoko no bought 10 goals for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No AD free oba mede ema and the update kakraba e won a transfer no hono and na mede ma on ti Kotoko beef up on the Kotoko attack no Bukwala and now was the only striker because Osha na chesa brantia ye frɛ no Zig Epra Mfegi Epra nti Isaac Oppong and on support no as the supporting striker nti the bani say me catch them set Kotoko 3 players Fatawu Safiu Abdul, former Kotoko player or no, and I'm penny for any dim command. Obaba Ghana, na Omaba be real common, na dear twas soon in about so China, Kotoko training. You be so who be an Edebe Brem. This is Silver TV. Bye bye.